So now just let me know final that you are able to see or not.
Yeah, sir, we are able to see the screen.
Okay, so this is the diagram what we are having. Okay, and again what we will be doing is we'll be starting with the units, limits, and then you have to convert this drawing into an orthographic. पहले हम orthographic बनाएंगे and then we'll start with the sectional orthographic. ठीक है? So I hope orthographic कैसे बनाते हैं that you are well aware, and still not aware, still we'll see how it is to be done. तो चलो start करते हैं पहले कि units, सबसे पहले units से शुरू करते हैं. So UNITS units, enter, and then
सर एक बार क्वेश्चन को फुल स्क्रीन में दिखा सकते हैं? We will take screenshot of it.
Okay, you want to take a screenshot? Are you able to see this diagram? अभी दिख रहा है? अभी दिख रहा है बच्चा?
AutoCAD ही दिख रहा है.
ये स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा? Okay, okay, wait a minute. AutoCAD दिख रहा है?
हाँ सर.
अभी दिख रहा है?
Yes sir.
हाँ. Please take a screenshot and then we'll start the session. I'll share with you the drawing as well later on, but right now you just take a screenshot. Everyone done? Yes? Please reply.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so let's start with the things. The first bit, what you have to do is first you have to set with the units. So UNITS units, enter. After then you have to check millimeter precision, take it 0.0 or 0 will do, and then okay. Then here once again limits LIMITS, enter 0, 0, enter 1000, 1000. This enter. So with this, I hope you are clear with it. This much तो आपको आता है कि नहीं बच्चों? आता है इतना आपको?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, sir.
Good, good. So इतना आता है तो that's a great thing. चलो हम आगे चलते हैं. Now what we will do is, as I have told you last time, the same way this time also what you have to do is you have to make the two lines, which are one is horizontal and one is vertical. You have to make it. ठीक है? So कब कितना बनाना है that we will see. But before that, just tell me with this diagram what is the length, width, and height of the figure. Can anyone tell me what is the length, width, and height of the figure? पहले length बता दो. कोई बता सकता है? सबसे पहले, do you know where the observer is? Observer is here. Observer is here. ठीक है? तो observer के सामने जो भी portion होगा, that is your length. Can anyone tell me what is the length?
70 mm.
Wrong. Anything else?
80 mm. 80.
Wrong.
100.
Sir, 130.
Let me take the bifurcation. Yes, what you were talking? Please once again.
Sir, 130.
10 mm.
Someone is telling 130. Can you give me bifurcation?
So first that 35 and 35, 70, and then
35.
radius.
Yes.
And radius 20.
Very good.
And that side radius 40.
That side radius by 40.
So it is given
Where it is? Achha.
on the left side.
अच्छा, if you're talking about this, let me first explain you that ये जो portion है ना, ये ऐसे करके ऐसे है, और ऐसे ट्राई टू फर्स्ट सी कि ये कैसा दिख रहा है, ऐसा 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 ऐसा, फिर ये नीचे आया ऐसा एंड देन कमिंग डाउन. एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड? एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
फिर से बता रहा हूँ. सी दिस डिस्टेंस 65, फिर 45, फिर नेक्स्ट 20 which is the dime 40 का radius is 20, then वो 40 ड्रॉप कर रहा है नीचे, then it comes पूरा 40 अंदर जा रहा है, then it slopes down and then comes here, फिर ये खत्म होता है. राइट, हम इसका देख रहे हैं, this one. So that is your 35 plus 35 plus this 20. और ऐसा ही सेमी सर्कल वो साइड में भी बना हुआ है बच्चों. आर यू एबल टू एवरीवन?
सर मतलब वो जो सिलेंडर है थोड़ा हाइट पे है ना, elevation.
हाँ, very good, you understood, very good, that's great. So this is one what you have to understand. The cylinder, this particular cylinder is certain height, at a certain height. What is the height of that? It is a 90 till its top surface. From the bottom, from this point, basically this point, it is 90 above. So everyone is clear with the length? 35 plus 35 plus 20 plus 20. सबको क्लियर है क्या बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 35, 35, 70, 70 plus 20, 90, 90 plus 20, 110. There was one student who was telling 110. That's great. Very good. Wait, Steve, wait. We are taking one by one. So those who have said length 110, it was really a great visualization you all people are having. That's great. Chalo. So let's move to the next. Can anyone tell me what is the width of the figure? Come on, jaldi se. Width of the figure. Width of the figure. Can anyone tell me? Yeah. Width of the figure, Steve, 40. Nah, it's not 40.
105.
Can you give me the bifurcation?
Sir, that horizontal cylindrical part 65
Very good.
plus that lower one distance is given for.
Very good.
145 आएगा.
Can you give me the bifurcation?
Sir, 65 plus 40.
Yes.
Radius 20 mm. So 125.
Perfect. 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 Very good. 125. So let's understand where it is being seen and how it is being seen. So basically this is 65. This 65, you can see students that there is this line which is being coming out of this particular base. It is coming out of the base. पीछे की side में inclined. So this is the maximum width what we are talking about. 65 plus 40, which is coming till the center, and then ये outer circle जो है, this outer circle is having a radius. Radius कितने का है? 20 का. Then only the diameter will become 40. तो ये 20, फिर ये 40, and then ये 65. That is the final width of the figure. Very good. Smartly people have given the answer. Chalo. Next is height. Can anyone give me the height of the figure? Someone told already.
150.
150. Steve told 180. Yeah, 150. Can you give me the bifurcation?
Sir, that side 90 it is.
Very good. So
Then
90.
above 40.
Very good.
And that radius of that vertical cylinder, that is 40.
That is not
No,
40.
that
no,
is 20. That is
20.
20.
That's all. Anything else?
No.
Just listen one more thing. Keep your mic on. ये देखो ये 90 यहीं तक है, यहाँ तक. तो ये भी आएगा ना फिर? Yes or no?
10 आएगा पूरा.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir, plus 10.
So this is 10. फिर ये 90 यहाँ तक, फिर 40, and then this half of the semicircle. Good. So plus 10. So what is the final count? Can anyone tell me what is the final count?
160.
160. 160. So 90 plus 40 is 130. 130 plus 20, 150 plus 10 is 160. So this is the final value of the length, width, and height of the figure. Steve, it is 160. Let's say 160 how it is. So this is 10, this 10, and then 90 plus 40 plus this 20. How come this 20? Because see, diameter of the outer circle is given as 40. So ये radius कितना होगा 20. I hope it is clear, Steve. Steve, we are waiting for your answer. Okay, so it's 5 in front of 40. I thought, okay, fine, no issues. So with this, our data is being done. Everyone, please note it down in their diagram about the data. Okay. And we'll start with the session. So with this, I'll take it here. तो बच्चों चलो start करेंगे with the figure. Yes, students. So we'll start with the diagram. Before that, let me adjust the things. Okay. So I expect from you all that please make the two lines. One is your horizontal line and one is your vertical line. That would be great. Everyone. I expect from everyone, please make the two lines. One is horizontal and one is vertical. Now the question is, sir, why you are doing this? Because I want to just see toward that within a range I should be, because what happens generally, the length is much bigger or length is much smaller. That should not happen. That's why I'm just avoiding that part to get reduced. So like this. That's perfect. So let's start with the diagram. Now we have to draw, as I told you, you have to draw two vertical, two horizontal, one horizontal, one vertical. We'll keep them ortho mode on like this way. Okay. So in this way we have done. I'll take the vertical line as 230. Now why I'm taking 230? Because there is a reason. Because you can see here all the data, whatever is mentioned. There is no data which is exceeding 230. Okay. So there is no data which is exceeding 230. The maximum data is 110. We have to take it maximum data ka double. So maximum data is, let's take 160. So 160 ka double level. That is a 320. We'll take 320. That is the concept. 350 level. 350. We'll take it 350. Like this way. We'll take 350. And similar way, यहाँ पर भी 350 ले लें. Now why we are doing this? 350 का half कितना हुआ? 175. ठीक है? 175. And then यहाँ से भी 175 ले लेंगे. 175. Now why we are doing this? Because within this range, our whole diagram going to be coming. ठीक है? So this much, please draw it, everyone. If anyone has not drawn yet, please just draw it. Everyone just draw it. Draw this diagram.
Both horizontal and vertical.
What is the length of the horizontal line?
That I have taken maximum का double से 30 ज़्यादा. That is 160 का double है 320 और 30 और ज़्यादा. That is 350 I have taken.
Okay, thank you.
ठीक है. हाँ, this much idea you should have. In this way only you should decide. That's why I'm explaining you these all things that you should understand, and this way you can decide it. So 350 A, 350 A. Like this you have done. So once you have done, just let me know so that I can move further. Students, come on. I hope it is drawn. Okay. So let's move to the next part. Now we have to, as I've told last time also, we have to simply take the offset. So I'll just select the line. I'll go to offset. Okay, I'll take the offset command, and then in this I'll go with through, which is T, enter, and then 10 left and 10 right. So I'll take 10, enter. Once again, I'll just select it and 10, enter. This you're already aware of. Similarly, 10 above, enter, and selecting the line once again, 10 below. This you are already aware of. Last time we have done. Once you want to exit this command, press escape. This much you have already drawn last time as well. So I think so you'll be able to draw it little quickly. Next 1 minute I am giving to you. If you have a doubt, you ask it. Otherwise, you can complete it 1 minute within a minute. Chalo. Okay, so students, I hope so you have done. Can anyone tell me which side view you are able to visualize? Observer is here. Which side view you are able to visualize?
Right hand side view.
Very good, very good. आएगा किधर draw कहाँ करेंगे? Right hand side में दिख रहा है.
Left side of XY plane.
Very good. So यहाँ पे we will be drawing the in this case we will be drawing the side view. यहाँ पे होगा front view और यहाँ पे होगा top view. I hope everyone is aware कि how it is being decided. Yes, everyone is aware that how it is being decided. हमको कौन सा view दिख रहा है? If the observer is standing here, उसका right hand यहाँ पर दिखेगा. So this is the right hand side view, which is being placed on the left hand side of the front view. Front view इधर आएगा तो उसके left में इधर आएगा, and then front view के just below will be having a top. अच्छा, can anyone tell me which are the two parameters they are able to see in a front view? Which are the two parameters you are able to see in a front view?
Length and height.
Perfect. So here you will be making the rectangle which is of length and height. Chalo bana do fatafat. I'll give you 30 seconds for the same. So I hope everyone has drawn the length. What we'll be taking a rectangle. Okay, we'll be taking a rectangle, and what we'll do is we'll just left click here at this point, and then 110 comma this the 110 comma 160. This will give you the box. The box will then. Can anyone tell me which are the two parameters you are able to see in the top view? Anyone?
Length and width.
Very good, perfect. So length and width. So in that case, what we'll do is we'll just click on here, and then we'll give the length comma width. But see to it, बच्चा लोग ये कौन सा quadrant है? कौन सा quadrant है ये? फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट है ना, फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में x is positive and y is negative. So here what you'll do is length and width दिख रहा है, so length is 110 comma the width is your 125 which is minus, so minus 125, enter, you got the box. I'll give you 30 seconds to draw this. Chalo. Perfect. So I hope this much everyone has drawn. Now we'll talk about the side view. Can anyone tell me what are the two parameters you are able to see in a side view? Yes, come on. For a side view. Can anyone tell me for the side view which are the two parameters you are able to see?
Width and height.
Width and height. Perfect. So width and height, we'll click it here and then we'll give the width. So along x it's a width, so it is minus 125 comma and height is 160, enter. So this was the final box what we got. I hope everyone has drawn till here. Please, I'll give you 30 seconds next. Please complete this much. Perfect. So almost everyone is there along with me. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now students, one thing we have to decide. Out of these three views, more circle, which view you are seeing? More number of circles,
Top view.
which view you are seeing. In the case of a top view, you are able to see one circle, two circle, three circle, four circle, semicircle, semicircle. Got it? But in the case of a front view, no, only two circles are there. In the case of a side view, no circle is there. Right? So let's start with the top view. जिसमें ज्यादा circle दिखता है, जिसमें ज्यादा curve दिखता है, सबसे पहले वो बनाने का. Is it clear, everyone? So let's start with the top view. Perfect. So in the case of, can anyone just draw it a rough diagram for the top view? Later on we'll draw it here. I'll give you 1 minute for this. Rough diagram bana ke rakho. I'll draw it here. Just check whether it is correct or not. Sure.
Sir, can you repeat dimensions for third rectangle?
It is a बच्चा side view. So side view में कौन से दो parameters दिखते हैं?
Length and height.
Length and height. पक्का side view में. Side view में. Length and height तो front view में दिखता है ना बेटा? Width and height. Perfect. So width and height. So this is your width and this is your height.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes. So anything else you are able to see this other than this? Can anyone tell me? Yeah. Anyone? Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Are you able to see anything what other than this? Now, can anyone tell me how to draw this diagram? How I have got to understand that this only diagram going to be coming? Can anyone tell me? Hello, am I there? Am I there in the
Yes,
meeting?
sir.
Yeah. Please, home.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please go on. Go on. How I'll
Sir,
decide?
first we drew a 65 by 40 rectangle which
Oh,
represent the upper center.
okay.
Then we drew the base
Okay.
of length 110, and
Okay.
then we drew the cylinder which is in the front side,
But
which
Om,
is
what?
40 mm
Okay. Okay. 40
in
mm
front of
this.
the.
Yeah. But Om, can you tell me that how I decided that this diagram only going to be coming? Can you tell me, Om?
सर थोड़ा क्वेश्चन समझा नहीं.
How I have decided that यही diagram आएगा? Can anyone other
So,
than?
सर क्योंकि हम लोग का फ्रंट व्यू जहाँ से एक्स दिखा है वहां से, so according to that top view should represent this diagram only.
So if you want to explain anyone that this is the top view, what is the way of explaining it?
तो इसमें लेंथ और विड्थ ही दिख रहा है, हाइट नहीं दिख रहा.
हाँ, तो क्या करना है? वेरी गुड.
तो फिर ये टॉप व्यू होगा. टॉप
हाँ.
व्यू में हाइट नहीं दिखता.
अच्छा, तो क्या करते हैं हम? मैंने क्या बताया, क्या सिखाया मैंने?
पचक जाता है.
Yes. So from the top, what you do is you just press it. From the top, when you press it, whatever things you are able to see, you'll be able to see these things. That is only. Are all able to? Everyone able to see these things? Everyone.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Perfect. So then what we will do is we will draw it here. Chalo, okay? Everyone start drawing. Okay? Anyone has any doubt, they can ask. You imagine yourself on the top and look at it, squeeze it. Yeah, perfect. So this is the way you have to. Perfect. Good, Steve. So this is the way you have to draw your top view. Chalo, so we'll go with the measurements now. Okay, everyone. So what we will do is we will just erase this whole part and then we'll start with. I hope so you have already started as well. So just please focus on the diagram and start drawing it. If you are much away ahead than me, not an issue. Just wherever you get stuck, wait a minute. I'll just come till there. Okay. So I'll just lower down this. Okay. So let's start with that. So what you have to do from the starting is the very first thing what you all do is first you will be making a center line. Everyone just make a center line. This center line I have to banana. Now why I am making this center line, students? Because see, you can see here that the center through the center line, the whole object is being divided into two halves. So it seems to be like this line is like a line of a symmetry. And this line seems to be like a line of symmetry. You can see that whatever is on the right side of it is same as on the left side of it as well. So what we will do is first we will make this center line, and with reference to the center line, we will draw each and everything. So let's start with it. So from here, what we will go with? We will go with the cylinder. Cylinder 40 here. So I'll go with 20 enter. And then here I'll come here with a distance of 65. Take a student, and then once again I'll meet it here with 20. Okay. So this is the final what we are having. till here. Now what we will do is we will take a mirror command of this, because the same thing we have to do it on this side as well. So mirror command, and then taking this and this, no, and so we got this. Everyone understood? Everyone, please make it till here. Please make it till here, everyone. Come on.
Yes, sir.
So everyone is done with this. Good. So now what is to be done next? नेक्स्ट क्या करना है अब देखते हैं। यहाँ से 40 लेना है बच्चों, ठीक है, तो 40 लेना है, तो what we will do is we'll take this line command from here, we'll come down 40 enter, ठीक है, 40 तक आ गए। जहाँ पे हमको 40 मिला, what we will do is we'll keep a reference line, एक reference point define करते हैं, और वहाँ पे what we will do is we'll make a circle। कितने का सर्कल बनाना है बच्चों? 40 and 20 का, 40 diameter and 20 diameter, ठीक है, 40 diameter. Now the last thing about the radius, so we'll give the 20 as a radius, and the second one will give us 10 as a radius. So these are the two circles what we will be making it. हम इसको delete कर देंगे, और just a reference line similarly this, और रखते हैं थोड़ी देर के लिए। I hope it is clear, everyone. Please draw it till here. Please draw it till here, everyone. Okay, so I think so you have done it. Now what we will do, just have a look. Now as you can see that this strip, what we are talking about, this strip, or this strip, or this strip, they are not being given the thickness of it, okay? So what we will consider is the thickness is 10. We are considering it, okay? Wherever the dimensions are not given, we can consider it, but see to it that you have to be very clear that the dimensions are not given, ठीक है, नहीं तो पता चला जहाँ पे dimension दिया है वहाँ पे भी आपने assumption दे दिया, so that should not happen. So dimension is not given, you can see it here, see this thickness is not given, similarly this thickness, similarly this thickness, we'll consider it 10. चलो तो हम उसको 10 कंसीडर करके चलते हैं, कैसे होता है देखते हैं। इसको सिलेक्ट किया हमने, एंड देन आई गो विद एन ऑफसेट, फिर से मैं ऑफसेट करूंगा, T एंटर, एंड देन फ्रॉम हियर आई विल कम दिस साइड 5 enter, and then once again I'll just click this side 5 enter. So this completes your strip. Post strip complete again. Now I have to erase it. Control A, and then I have to enter. Okay. So this will be a deleted. This is also deleted. This is also to be deleted. ये आपका बहुत important part है जो आपने अभी complete कर लिया। I hope everyone has completed till here. Everyone till here, everyone has completed. I hope so. I'll just make it a little bigger, and then I expect that my diagram should be clear.
Yes, sir. Done.
Shorter than this, it will not happen. So I was thinking that more shorter. Perfect. So this much is done, everyone. Now we'll go further. अभी further क्या करना है? So further is like we have completed this portion and we have also completed this portion. Now we'll come to the base. अभी हम क्या करेंगे, बेस बनाएंगे बच्चों. तो बेस कैसे बनाना है, ये थोड़ा सा इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है जो हमको समझना है. How it is done? Just have a look. Can you tell me what is the length from here till the base? Can anyone tell me what is the length till the base? ये सेंटर लाइन हमको बनाना है बच्चों. कैसे बनाएंगे हम? कोई आइडिया बता सकता है क्या? This center line we have to make it. Can anyone tell me what is the center line
सर
distance?
अपर सिलेंडर से वो 15 mm पे है.
From
center
here,
line.
from here.
Yes.
नहीं, this 15 mm is this distance बच्चा. ये ऐसे 15
नहीं
mm.
सर ये 10 mm और हम लोग ने जो है वो 10 mm भी पकड़ा है ना. हम लोग ने अभी 40/10 का एक बॉक्स बनाया.
Now, one more thing. This 10 is basically reaching till this wall. It is not reaching till the center line.
हाँ तो सर वो जो वॉल है ना सेंटर लाइन का.
अच्छा, you're talking about
हाँ
that
सर
we have taken 5.
वो भी 10 mm का पकड़ा है हम लोग ने.
Okay, perfect. Good one. Yeah, I got to know. So from here, basically, Om is telling that this is 10 and 5. We have to take 15. Very good. Great visualization. So we have to take 15 and then we have to come to here. Perfect. Very good. So those who didn't understood, once again for them repeating, just have a look that we are knowing till here we are knowing the edge. So that is this edge. Okay. So from here, this is the same line. We are going at 10 inside. 10 inside we got it, and then this thickness we have considered as 10 बच्चों. ये thickness हमने कितना consider किया था 10. So ये आधा इसका कितना होगा 5. So 10 plus 5 will give me this center line. ये center line मिल जाएगा बच्चों. I hope everyone understood. किसी को नहीं समझा है तो please put it in a chat or ask it by simply unmuting him or her. Yeah, everyone understood. Everyone, yeah, go on.
वो स्पेसिफिक सेंटर लाइन नहीं समझे मुझे कौन सा वाला.
हाँ, I'll talk about it. So ये देखो ये सेंटर लाइन दिख रहा है, ये सेंटर लाइन, ये सेमी सर्कल का. तो ये सेंटर लाइन इज गोइंग टिल द टॉप, ऐसे जा रहा है, ये दिख रहा है.
यस सर, यस.
ओके, परफेक्ट. सो इन दैट केस व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, जस्ट हैव अ लुक कि ये 10 हुआ, समझा क्या?
एक्सटेंडेड बाहर साइड आया.
हाँ, ये 10 इधर से भी 10 हो जाएगा ना अंदर.
हाँ,
तो ये 10 हो गया और इसका 5.
ओके,
गॉट इट. सो दैट इज टोटल 15. हाँ, so that is something what we are talking about the 15. ये 15 हम अंदर आ गए. अब इसको जो है वो हम कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं सेंटर लाइन में. ठीक है, कैसे करते हैं सेंटर लाइन में कन्वर्ट? लेयर में जाना है, अदर में जाना है, लोड करना है सेंटर लाइन 2x. ओके, ठीक है. एंड देन वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट दिस लाइन. ओके, स्टिल इट इज नॉट गेटिंग. प्रॉपर्टी में जाएंगे, line type will make a change. Okay, so it is not making any change. So what will do is line type 5, enter. Still it is not making any change. So we'll go with line type 10. No change. Can you see this? अच्छा, this is not converted. So center line converted like this way. ठीक है, परफेक्ट बच्चों. दिख रहा है सेंटर लाइन? सबको दिख रहा है? सबको दिख रहा है सेंटर लाइन? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Good. So center line we have represented. ठीक है, सेंटर लाइन हमने रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया. अब सेंटर लाइन के रिस्पेक्ट में these two lines will be making it. देखो कैसे करते हैं. इसी सेंटर लाइन को हम क्या करते हैं, ऑफसेट कर देते हैं. ठीक है, ऑफसेट कर देते हैं. ठीक, एंटर. तो ऑफसेट में कितना ऑफसेट होगा? तो ऑफसेट में how much we have to do offset? That is 20. So 20, enter. And then I can see what happened like this. It has come. So and then once again you can take copy also, you can take offset also. I will just once again copy. So 20, enter. I hope it is clear everyone. You can do copy also, you can do offset also. That's not a problem. ठीक है, make it a normal line, and then this will be converted into Z. ये clear हुआ बच्चों? Everyone clear or not? फिर हम यहाँ पर 20 कर देंगे अंदर. So this is 20, enter, and then this is the point. So we got the point. There we will make a semicircle. ऐसे बनाते हैं. Hello, students, please mute yourself. If you are not asking about, please mute yourself. हमने मिरर कर दिया. No, enter. ठीक है. अब हम इसको डिलीट कर देते हैं. ठीक है. और फिर we'll make one more line. What is that line? We'll make a line so that it has to be converted into this. कैसे? Now I'll just make it semicircle. So semicircle, I have to make it. So trim, enter. So trim, enter, semicircle is to be made. So what I'll do is I'll just take this, click, here, here. Okay. Similarly, here click, this and this. So that's all what we are having for this particular diagram till here. ठीक है बच्चों, इधर तक clear है everyone? And then we have to make two semicircles. तो sorry, semicircle में circle बनाना. तो circle का diameter कितना है? 20. So the radius will be how much? 10. 10, enter. Similarly, we'll go with the next, which is here 10, enter. ठीक है, इस तरीके से. So Control A. Student, please mute yourself if you are unmuted by mistake. Okay. So I hope someone has not muted him. Yeah. So the center line कैसे बनाना है? Center line बनाने हैं दुर्गेश. I'll tell you. Wait a minute. I'll tell you about the center line. ये निकल गया, ये निकल गया. This also done. This is also done. And then this line, this and this. We'll be converting it into a ठीक है बच्चों, ये इधर तक हो गया. Now till here we will do it. Now next time we'll continue with this particular diagram बच्चों. ठीक है. And Durgesh, let me tell you one thing once again, that how to locate the center line. So this is your 10. ठीक है, everyone, once again repeating. So this is your 10 and this is your 15. Sorry, 5. So 10 plus 5 becomes your 15. Okay? 10 plus 5 becomes your 15. So that we have to get in from here. ये जो लाइन है ना, ये वाला लाइन, ये लाइन दिख रहा है बच्चा दुर्गेश? ये लाइन से you have to get in 15 and then you have to make a center line. So what we will do is we will stop it here. ठीक है? If you are able to draw it, very good. Otherwise, next time what I'll do is I'll start from here itself. ठीक है बच्चों? So I'll not take your much time. So till here we are completing it. We'll stop it here, and next time once again we'll start it from here. ठीक है everyone? Okay. So I hope if you are not having any doubt, then is it clear everyone? Okay, perfect. So